This is my 5th Flair Camp now, and I've been coming to Flair Camp because I just love the community. I love the passion that everyone brings to this place.
And I've been enjoying it. I think that the amount of knowledge that you can absorb here is incredible, beyond my expectations. So I'm really happy. I'm proud of being here.
This is really nice that we all get together, make new friends and have a great time together.
Fun, flair, and a fantastic time.
Flair Camp, meeting new people, bonding with like-minded people from all over the world, making friendships, learning a lot. It's just fun time.
Well, for me, Flair Camp is all about Flair, of course, but also about friends, good vibes, like the Flair family actually, meeting up everybody and yeah, share the passion.
It was amazing, like all the guys, all the teachers, all the campers are amazing. The vibe is crazy and I just love being here, being with those guys here, and it's amazing, like I said.
Everything that is happening over here, that's like something incredible for me.
Before I came to Flair Camp, I just expected I will go out of my comfort zone, and already after first or second day I realized that I'm already so far out of the comfort zone and I'm so happy, and really I'm just going with the flow, trust the process and just enjoy being here. I cannot wait to see you all in October.